kind of onto something here.
Okay, the first episode.
First episode of the podcast, and they're like passed
The
out
drunk
of that.
and the sober, but nobody's drunk.
Only
We're
sober.
driving safe and sober.
Camera's on, CJ.
I moved the car, it just flies.
We're going to mountain.
Wait, it doesn't have gelatin?
National Park.
Just like, you know, like when you see someone you don't think is attractive, but like they like date your friend, and then you can kind of see them like do little cutesy things, and you're like, okay, I can see why my friend is now dating you, and like why they think you're cute.
Yeah.
The coolest character. She was Mrs. McGonagall.
So excited! We're in Estes, so we are on the west side of the national. Gondola.
Cable car.
Cable car is one of those, yeah. Entering the park soon. I can literally feel it cooling down.
Yeah, you can.
Holy shit, there's snow! Yes!
Right when the music dropped.
In the great outdoors.
You can go ahead.
She has energy to run.
She does. I love nature.
This is ugly, this is ugly.
Yeah, there was a fire.
Alright, we need to look up picnic areas, y'all. So if you could please help me out. There's also Lake Granby. Look how big this one is.
Yeah, they're both huge. I love the sound of the ground crunching beneath my feet. That's not pavement.
Yes.
It's so nice.
One of my favorite sounds.
We're literally picnicking at a lake right now on
I
tour.
want a photo of. Bye today.
Alright, who needs water?
Me. Everyone.
Bring out our instant
Well,
things.
what are y'all eating?
Done. You don't even really need that much water.
No, it's just to cover the noodles.
So should I just do that?
Yeah, do you want the rest for your tea?
Eat it tilted like this. Look at us. Camping. Picnic. Not camping. Picnicking.
But other than that, not bad.
Oh, which, like, oh, like this way?
But your camera's facing that way.
No, it's not this way. It's like here. Oh, where are we going?
Wow.
The way you're disturbing my peace.
I love you. Thank you for your contribution to society.